Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to make a color wheel. And you go to your assignments in your canvas and go to the digital color wheel. And if you're in Photoshop, just go to Photoshop up here at the top and hide it. Then you're going to go to the internet, go to your assignments on Canvas, and click on digital color wheel and take this and drag it to your desktop. Okay? So you've got it on your desktop. You can get off the internet now, minimize that, drag your color wheel and put it onto Photoshop. Now when you open it up, if it opens up in a tab like this, I want you to change that. So drag this color wheel down and let go so it's in its own box. And I'd like you to go to the word Photoshop up here and go to Preferences. I'd like you to go to Workspace. I'd like you to turn off Open Documents as tabs. Then when you open a document up, it's going to make it as a box, not a tab. Not like looking like that, because that way it puts these tabs across. Drag that down, get that away from there, and again, go to Preferences, go to Workspace, and turn off Open Doc. Turn that off, okay? All right, now, next I'd like you to go to File and New, okay? And I'd like you to change this instead of pixels to inches. I'd like you to make a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper. So go to 12 by 12, 300 resolution, inches. Make sure it says inches, double check that. Hit create. And now you've got a white box and you've got this color wheel as a reference. So move your color box or your box over here, move your reference over here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna recreate this digitally. Here's how you do it. Now, I'd like you to go down here to the bottom, right down here in your tools, rectangle, ellipse. You can make ellipses. If I click on that and I drag, it's going to be a circle that's black. The reason it's black is we've got the fill color up here as black. We could change that and go to red, okay, and try to go find all the colors, and that's fine. But we're going to use this as a reference. So what you want to do is you want to go here to the eyedropper, okay. Go to the eyedropper or I on your keyboard to get there quickly and click over here and click on red, and it turned it that same color red. See, I click over here. This has got to be open up in Photoshop for this to work. Then go to your tools again. I'm going to use a triangle and I'm going to drag a triangle, and you can use whatever shapes you want in different shapes you like. It's going to be red again because it's the last color you used. But all you do is go to your eyedropper, click on it, click on green, and then take your move tool and let's put that down at the bottom. So you're going to be making a circle here with all your different shapes, okay? So cool, here we go. So I'm going to go down here to our shape and try a polygon. Oh, that one's a star, all right? And to change that to a color, eyedropper, blue, move tool, okay? Now there's custom shapes. If you hold on this, go to custom shapes, click up here. Got all types of shapes. There's boats. Okay, I'll open boats up. I'm going to go to a submarine, and I'm going to put in we all live in a yellow submarine. It's going to be in blue, but you're going to click on your eyedropper. Okay, I on your keyboard to get there quicker. Eyedropper, yellow, move tool, move it where you want. Okay, so you're going to be placing all of these shapes. Okay, I'll make another shapes here, and I'll click on these. Oh, by the way, I'm just holding down Option and dragging on one, and it will make other shapes. Okay, if you want. Okay, but I want you to make a color wheel and make them all the right colors. Again, blue star. I don't want that blue. I want it red, purple. Click on the star, eyedropper. Okay, get it? So you'll build that. Once it's built, you're going to go to your type tool. Now, when you click once, the type is going to be in red, purple. I'll show you. So I'm going to hit the basic colors, okay, move tool, but it's in, if I want this in black, the type's in a purpley color. Click on the type tool again, select the type, then click on the color picker right here and go to black. And I'd like you to go to your type tool again, click underneath the red one. You're going to type red in caps. Underneath it, in brackets, primary. To make it smaller, I can click across primary, and I can go to my size here, and I can make it smaller. move tool, get underneath your red one. Okay, so build all of your shapes in a circle. It's a digital color wheel that you've designed and you've made, and put all the colors in so you can start learning about the color wheel. All right, cool. Keep designing.